Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is the number system. Today we will study about if any number is given, how can we check that number is divisible by 23. So let us see. So if the small number is given, then it is very easy. We can find that by dividing. Just like it is given. Suppose given what? 69. We want to check that number is divisible by 23 or not. Just direct divide, you know well, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 is yes, this number is divisible by 23. Similarly, now the other number is given, suppose given what? 93. You want to check that number is divisible by 23 or not. What you know? 23 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 and 9, that is 92. It is 93. So it is remainder is what? 1. So 4 and 1. So 1 is the remainder. That means that number 93 is not divisible by 23. In the same way we can find. But if the large number is given, suppose 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, then how can we check that number by it is divisible by 23 or not? If we go for the basic, it will take a lot of time. So we need a simple technique and logic to check any number, that number is divisible by 23 or not. So simple technique is what? Even any number we are checking for divisibility rule of 23, then what technique? Product of 7 and unit digit is adding the remaining number and the sum is divisible by 23. Then total number will be divisible by 23. That means any number is given, suppose 483 is given. Just focus on unit digit. Unit digit is what? 3. Multiply the unit digit by 7. 7 into 3, 21. Add this product is 21. Add the product in the remaining number, that is 48. So 48 plus 21 is what? 69. Now you check that result 69 is divisible by 23 or not. If it is divisible, then total number, that is 483, will be also divisible by 23. So yes, 69 is divisible by 23 because 23 3 is 69. So yes, this number is divisible by 23. Similarly, we are taking the other example of the 4 digits. Suppose it is given 4876. We want to check that number, if this number is divisible by 23 or not. The same rule we can apply and we can find answer very easily. So unit digit is what? 6. According to rule, multiply the unit digit by 7 and add the product in remaining number. So 7 into 6 42. Add in remaining number, what we are getting? 7 to 9, 8 4 12, 5 to 9. Again same thing, unit is what? 9. So multiply by the 7, 9 7 just 63. So just add in the remaining number 63, what you are getting? That is what? 3 2 5 6 5 11. Again unit is what? 5. So same technique, 5 into 7 35. Add in the remaining number, that is 11 35. What you are getting? 46. You know well, 23 to the 46 to 46 divided by 23. So this number is also divisible by 23. So any number is given, we can check very easily. Just multiply the unit digit by 7 and add the product in the remaining number, and if the result is divisible by 23, the total number will be divided by 23. If the result is again large, go repeat the process, same process up to the a smaller number, just like we have done here up to the 46. Now we also know 46 is divisible by 23. Let us see the next question. So next rule is what we are going to discuss, that is divisibility rule of 29. That means if any number is given, how can we check that number is divisible by 29? Again the same thing, if the number is given as small, it is very easy to check. Suppose it is given 87. We want to check that number is divisible by 29. We go for direct dividing and take the table. So 3 9 are 27. 3 2 is 68. Yes, this number is divisible by 29. Suppose similarly any number is given, suppose number given 59. You want to check that number is divisible by 29. What you know? 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 29 2 is 58. So here what we are getting? One remainder. Yes, this number is not divisible by 29. So if the two-digit number is given, it is easy to divide by 29 and can check. But the number is given, suppose three-digit number, four-digit number, then dividing will take a lot of time. So we need a simple technique and logic to check that number is divisible by 29 or not. So very easy technique is what? Easy technique is what? It's just product of 3 and unit digit added in the remaining number and sum is divisible by 29, then whole number will be divided by 29. So very easy concept. Any number is given, suppose 899. It focus on unit digit. Just multiply the unit digit by 3 and add in the remaining number. So 89 plus 27. The result is what? 116. You can check this number is divided by 29. If it number is large, repeat the same thing. Again, unit is what? 6. So thus 3 into 6 is what? 18. Remaining number is 11. So 11 plus 18. What you are getting? 29. Yes, 29 is divisible by 29. So our correct answer 899 is divisible by 29. So any number is given, we can check very easily. Suppose one more number we are taking 2438. What taking? 2438. We are checking this number is divisible by 29 or not. So very easy, just focus on unit. Unit is what? 8. Just multiply the unit by 3, you will get 24. 8 into 3, 24. Add in the remaining number 24, what we are getting? 7, 6 and 2. Again 3-digit number, so repeat the same. Again unit is what? 7. So 7 into 3, 21. So just add here 21, what you are getting? 617, and this is what? A 2 plus 2, 47. So what we are getting? 2438. 2438 is given. First we have added what? 27. So here what we are getting? 8. So last number is what? 8. So last number is 2438. So when we are multiplying this number by what? That is the 3. 3 8 is 24. We are getting this number. Again we are getting 7. So what? Same thing. 7 into 3, 21, 47. You know 29, 1 is 29, 29, 58. So this number is what? Not divisible by 20. Right? In the same way, we can check other numbers. So I'm taking 5-digit numbers. Say 2, 4, 3, 8, 9. This is the 5-digit number. What we are going? Same rule. This is the 9. So 9 into 3, 27. Just add here 27. So what we are getting? 8, 7, 15, 3, 2, 5, 6, 4, and again last digit is what? 5. So 5 into 3, 15. Add here 15. What you are getting? 6, 5, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 2, 6, 1. Again unit is what? 1. So 1 into 3 is what? 3. So just add here 3. What you are getting? 29. Yes, 29 is divisible by 29. So this number will be what? Divisible by 29. In this way, we can check any line number is given. We can check very easily this number is divisible by 29 or no. Let us see the next question. Here the next question is very different. What is the question? That means 7 to the power 6n. The question is what? 7 to power 6n minus 6 to the power 6n, where n is an integer greater than 0. It divisible by which number? 23, 127, 459, and none of these. For this type of the question, simple technique is what? 7 to the power 6n minus 6 to the power 6. What is given? N is greater than 0. So we cannot take 0 greater than 0. So suppose I am taking n equal to 1. So when we are putting n equal to 1, then what will get? 7 to the power 6 and 6 to the power 6. Now what we can write this? So we can write this like 7 to the power 3 whole square and minus 6 to the power 3 whole square. Because you know well, this is the formula, x to the power m to the power n is what? X to the power mn. So same thing applying here, 6. So we can write 3 into 2, 6, and 3 into 2, 6. Now we have a formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b, right? Everyone knows 7q is what? 7Q343. If you have no idea, you can find by logic in mind 7Q. So 7 square everyone know 49 and multiply 7 in mind. So what you are getting? 7 9 are 63, 7 4 are 28 and 6 34. Similarly, 6Q everyone knows 6 into 6 36 and 36 into 6 6 is 36 and 21. Similarly, here what? 343 minus 216. Now you know well, if we add this number 9, 5 and 5. And this number is what? 13 minus 6, 7, 3 minus 1, 2 and 1. So what we got? 559 into 1 to 7. So now we are checking the option is what? 1 to 7. So our right answer is what? 1 to 7. So any question of this type we can solve by this method. Our answer is what? 127. Thank you.